Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ever wondered why Koreans have such glowing, flawless skin? Today, I'm sharing something amazing that will completely transform the way your skin looks and feels. Stay tuned. This Korean remedy is game changer. This remedy works like magic. It gently removes dead skin cells and brightens your natural skin tone. With regular use, and your skin can feel refreshed, nourished, and glowing like never before. It's suitable for all skin types and gives visible results from the very first use. You can easily make it at home. You'll notice a soft, dewy glow, the kind that looks filtered, even without makeup. It's simple, natural, and doesn't require expensive products. Just a little effort from your kitchen, and your skin can feel refreshed, nourished, and glowing like never before. Time to glow from within. So beauties, I'm sure you'll want to try this at home because why not? If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like and subscribe and embrace that flawless Korean glass skin vibe.